Alright, hey guys, so in this video we're gonna do a Siren test on this Model 7. I think Model 7 or Model 5. It's in that box right there, and there's this one video I did. But, they said I can do a growl and a noon blast, so let's do the growl. Really step back. So yeah. But it sounds really good, and I love it. So, let's do the noon blast. Wind down. It's really nice to hear for the wind down. I did a video on this. I am friends with the owner of this game. I'm friends with him. So, yeah. I'm gonna do another little growl. The 3 minutes is still going, so that's great growls. Yeah, it's in that box. I can actually jump onto it and show you to it. And I don't have any. If I can get up here. Darn. I got up here for this sign video. It's in there. It's fully in there. There is a Thunderbolt 1003. Oh, come on. Sorry about that, guys. But, yeah. Let's do a little... Alright, guys. So, we're gonna go to the EMA. Alright, guys. So, we're here at the EMA now. Yeah, so we're at the EMA, guys. So they do have a fire siren. They have that siren and a fire siren that is another fire department, and it's technically as a EMA. So if you're wondering how I did the siren, this is all the sirens in the game, but except the fire sirens, like this one, you can only do it in person. Let's do attack. lot of siren videos I'm coming up with. But this is going to be the end of the video, guys. So peace. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I do fire alarms and sirens. There might be more things I will do.